Hello and welcome back. I recently won Scratch Snap April 2026 with this cake inspired nail design. And today the prize finally arrived, so I thought I would open everything together with you so we can speak a little bit about the competition set itself. I am Radina Ignatova, a professional nail expert and educator with online courses at Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy. So the theme was all things cake, and honestly, I really wanted to create something that felt realistic with textures and artistic rather than just a flat nail design. I focused a lot of layering, dimension, color balance, and making the whole set work together visually as one concept. I wanted each nail to feel different but still connected at the same time. A lot of the time with competition nail art, it's not only about adding a lot of details and elements everywhere. Composition and balance matters, as well as always to pay attention how the entire set flows together with in a composition, the overall composition. So I started by layering the actual cake, and then I added the 3D strawberries and the cream dripping element that felt more competition and editorial. This video, it's not about bragging or showing off what I have won. It's not about the prize. It's more about the recognition, to thank Katie with her prize, and to thank Scratch Magazine as well, and to inspire nail techs and nail artists all over the world. So let's go ahead and open the prize together. So this is what my prize. I only opened the box. I actually haven't had a proper look at what the nail art brushes are. So it is, my price is 10 nail art brushes, and then a disposable palettes for nail art. So these are the disposable nail art palettes. I suppose they are just translucent papers that you can just bin straight away. And I'm going to open the brushes quickly with you so we can see what I have received. And I want to express my gratitude towards Katie. Oh, they are very pretty actually. So this is her French, this is the Half Moon French brush, and I actually wanted a good one. I've been wanting to try a good French brush in a long time, so thank you very much, Katie. Let's see the next one. This is a square flat gel brush. They look the same. And they are very, they feel very nice. This is a oval round flat gel brush. This is a big square flat brush. Then we have, I think I'm going to like this brush. Let's open it. I don't want to make this video very long for you. So this is a small detailed brush, number 1. It has a nice tip. I cannot wait to try that. Then we have a longer liner brush, an angled brush. This will be nice for one stroke. Then we have smaller brush, which still can be used for gel. I've been enjoying a similar brush lately. This is number 3, and it can be used for nail art as well. You can see it's flat and thin. Then we have 3D. Oh, this is quite nice. A 3D nail art brush. And the last one is an ombre brush. I love an ombre brush. Let's have a look. An ombre brush. This is very fluffy, which is amazing, and it's very soft. They're very good quality, and I needed a good gel brush, so thank you so much, Katie, for sending these. So these so far are my top favorites from the first glance, and I cannot wait to create new nail designs with these. So I wanted to share this little moment with you because I am really grateful for the support and the recognition. And as well, I want to share how I actually managed to win. And I hope that I have inspired at least some of you. And I would like... I wanted to film the full breakthrough of the winning nail design itself. I wanted to show you the price and exactly how I created it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with the next video.